Hi all, welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this video we will be covering upon how we can work with the files. Our today's topic will be to create a file and read that. Before that, open that file and read it and fetch the content of that whatever data it's written inside the file. So what we will be doing here, we will be adding a new lecture. Let's create a new file. Okay, let's create a file name. I think I created a lecture. Okay, let me click it here. It's a lecture, I think so, lecture 17. Okay, lecture 17. By the way, I'm not including the whatever the lectures that I'm covering for, like any questions I'm covering, or you can say like lead code question or any other question that I'm not covering in that lecture list. So lecture videos might be more than this. So our topic like is today is to read a file. For that I will be creating a file. Let's create a file. Okay, let me create a file, new file. Let me keep it here only. Let's keep it as a meet.txt. I'm adding a txt file. I have a meet txt. So meet is my favorite. Spelling mistakes are there. Okay, favorite spelling is wrong, I know. Favorite actress kind of stuff. Show is fabulous. And I love to watch web series kind of stuff. The file I've created. Now I have to work with this file. So what I will be doing here, I have this lecture 17.py as well. So I have to open this file. So what I will be doing here, to open a file you have to use an open command. Open and then the file name. In my case the file name is meet.txt. I think I closed that file or what. Okay, I have closed this file. Okay, not meet.txt. Okay, okay. Now what I can do, I have to print that data. So what is the content? I have some content. So I will be doing, it's lagging a bit, leave it, read, and then I can use this print command to print the content of the file. By the way, my system is lagging a lot. I don't know what's happening. And one more thing, like if you are opening a file you have to close this. Why? Just an example, if you are opening a locker, you open by this password, then you have to close this, otherwise some thief can come and steal your whatever equipment, or you can tell jewelries or important docs you are having in that whatever you can say that locker. Similar way, when you are opening a file you have to close it. I have to use what I have to use. I have whatever variable I have created here. आई विल बी राइटिंग है। तो ठीक है, अब क्या करते हैं, कुछ फाइल्स का यहाँ पे कंटेंट मैंने डाल के रखा है। यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, आरटी इस्तेमाल होता है रीड करने के लिए फाइल को एज अ टेक्स्ट। ओपन फाइल के लिए हमारा क्या होता है, ये आर इस्तेमाल करते हैं फॉर रीडिंग। ओपन अ फाइल फॉर राइटिंग के लिए एक्स इस्तेमाल होता है, क्रिएट अ फाइल इफ नॉट अवेलेबल। ऐड होता है मोर कंटेंट टू अ फाइल। टेक्स्ट मोड के लिए टी करते हैं, बाइनरी मोड के लिए बी करते हैं, रीड फाइल। अब एक और चीज यार मैं दिखा दूं, यार रन करके दिखा देता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मैं रन कर रहा था पर मेरा शट डाउन हो गया सिस्टम, तो वीडियो सेव नहीं हुई थी। क्या बोलूं मैं इसको, अब भाई रन तो होना चाहिए, ये रन क्यों नहीं हो रहा। ओके, मैंने प्रिंट नहीं किया था मेरे ख्याल से। चलो ठीक है, मैंने प्रिंट नहीं किया, कंटेंट को प्रिंट करना है मुझे। और आई थिंक वन मोर थिंग मुझे करना पड़ेगा, और रेप्लिकेट कर दिया, 2 बार प्रिंट होगा ये। मेरे ख्याल से जूम का थोड़ा सा बोलना, मैं थोड़ा और जूम कर देता हूँ, सही रहता है। ठीक है, मीट और इसका आप देख देंगे ना, आपका फर्स्ट 4 कैरेक्टर लेगा वो फाइल से, फिर उसका नेक्स्ट 4 कैरेक्टर जो है वो आपको यहाँ पे प्रिंट करके दे देगा नेक्स्ट 4 वाला जब आपका होगा। इस तरह से आपका स्पेसेस भी लेगा, स्पेसेस भी देगा। देखिए आप यहाँ पे आगे और पीछे स्पेस दिखा रहा है। ठीक है, फाइल को आप देखिए। अब क्या करेंगे, अब एक और चीज कर सकते हैं, आप क्या करें, कंटेंट बाय कंटेंट प्रिंट कराना था, वो मैं प्रिंट करा देता हूँ आपको फटाक। फॉर लाइन इन कंटेंट, आई डोंट नो मेरा सिस्टम क्यों शट डाउन होता है यार। क्या है, अगर आपको सोल्यूशन पता है उसकी तो जरूर कमेंट करें कि क्या गड़बड़ है भैया, क्यों प्रिंट, क्यों गड़बड़ हो जा रहा है, ये क्यों बार बार वो फेल हो जा रहा है। मतलब शट डाउन हो जा रहा है। ये आप जरूर कवर किया अगर आपको सोल्यूशन पता है। बाकी ये सोल्यूशन तो मैंने ट्राई किया था, पर ऐसा कुछ सोल्यूशन मिला ही नहीं, इंटरनेट में है ही नहीं। ये आपका वर्ड कंटेंट बाय कंटेंट आ रहा है, मतलब वर्ड बाय वर्ड, मीट इज काइंड ऑफ स्टफ। अगर मेरे को ये नहीं चाहिए तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं डायरेक्ट एमबी को लिख सकता हूँ। पर एक गड़बड़ है यार, मैं इंग्लिश में रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था, हिंदी में रिकॉर्ड स्टार्टिंग हो गई, पर नो इश्यूज, थोड़ा सा आप बेयर करें, मैं इंग्लिश में स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ फिर से।
कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं?
So I was saying like I can keep like MB here. This is like opening file. But there is a big word here because I am using this content equal to MB.read as well. So if I run this here again, I will not get anything. You can see like I'm not getting any data. For that I have to like already I have opened this file using the MB.read. So I will not do MB.read this time. This time if you see here, line by line I am getting. See, Meet is my favorite actress. Show is fabulous. I love to watch web series. By the way, like New Line was available, so that's why I'm getting a New Line character as well here as well. So I can use line by line using this way. Now do one more thing. I can do a half MB.readline as well if I want to get a new line. So you can see Meet is my favorite actress. So I'm getting a new line as well with this. Okay. Similar ways like next time if you run this, let me replicate this, shift alt and do, you will get the next line, next data. Meet is my favorite actress, next line you will get a show is my fabulous. So two times I have run this. It's adding a new line character with this. And one more thing, let's do one more thing, have some read lines as well. It is used to what it will do, that it will print as a list, like it will convert that as a list. So it's list has been created. You can see like Meet is my favorite actor, new line character, that kind of stuff. For list you can use read lines. This is also very helpful. So in this video, like we covered upon how we can open a file and read the content of the file. Most important, you have to close the file as well using the close command. And if you are using Databricks, in that case like you might be having a mount path created. If you are having a mount path created, then you can create a data frame easily, and then you can work with that files also, like you have similar. So in that case you don't have to read or open kind of stuff. There some other technique is followed, that also we will be covering in the upcoming videos when we will be following our Databricks series. So for now, like this was a small video. I will meet you in some other videos where we will be talking about some other content. Till then, bye everyone.